Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. The gentleman I was trying to help this morning came up with an idea. Now, it didn't, to me, this didn't work. The buildings look a little skewed, but we could deal with that. But he used the artistic media tool. I used the envelope tool that took quite a bit of time. Um, Trying to find her path. I must have deleted the path somehow. There it is. So we've got this path, and all he did was make an artistic media stroke out of it. Go to the artistic media tool, click on brush, click on the disk, which is save, and we're going to call this wall 4 because I've been playing around with it. And then you've got it in your pencil, and then just hit this. Click on that line. Now you have to change the thickness. We're going to change it to 3. And there is a perfect example of what I was trying to do this morning with the artistic media tool, and did it. I did it with the envelope tool, but this did a lot faster now and a lot better. Now you can see the starting line. I always take and go to object and break it apart, and then you can see that line. Now, as far as the buildings go, or the turrets or towers, I still don't really understand the look he's trying to achieve. But if we have that, we try to have it snap to that corner, and then double click on the rotation of this box over this turret. See, I don't know what's going on when I'm doing that. And then move that to the corner, and then we could move that tower down. It would really help to be able to zoom in, because I really don't know the look he's trying to achieve. And you can make it look like that. Now you would still have to take out the insides of the buildings like I did this morning, and that's fairly easy. It's a little bit harder when it's on a angle like this, because you can't just go straight up and down, but it can be done. And then what I would do at the bottom, if this is what he's planning on it to look like, you could do kind of the same thing we did this morning. You're going to have to ungroup this. Got that selected, go up to object, group, and ungroup all, just to play it safe, and then grab the bottom and just move it down a little bit, and then use the virtual segment delete key to either delete this or delete that one. I think that actually looks a little bit better than his. He didn't have it grouped together. It just looks a little skewed, and I mean mine looks a little funny too. But I think he'd be better off by doing this, and then just doing it one more time. It might even be easier on a upward hump to just do that, and then delete all the windows, and then you could actually just take this bottom part out. I would probably, to keep it the same height, I would go ahead and go to object, group, and ungroup it all, take the nodes and just come down, trying to stay perfectly up and down, then just delete that line, and then go through and delete these other lines like we did this morning. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.